Did you know about the amazing health benefits of green bananas? Today we're peeling back the layers on these unripe wonders. Packed to the brim with vitamins and minerals, green bananas are a nutritional powerhouse. They're especially rich in potassium, a key player in regulating blood pressure and improving digestion. But that's only scratching the surface of what these green marvels offer. Stay with us to explore more about these green wonders. First off, green bananas are rich in dietary fiber. Now you may be wondering, why is dietary fiber important? Well, it plays a crucial role in aiding weight loss. It works by adding bulk to your meals, which helps you feel more satiated and reduces the likelihood of overeating. But that's not all. Green bananas also help promote a feeling of fullness. The result? You're less likely to reach for that bag of chips or bar of chocolate. But the benefits of green bananas don't stop there. They contain short-chain fatty acids that do some amazing things for your body. These acids improve nutrient absorption, meaning your body can make the most out of the nutrients you consume. They also support beneficial bacteria in the gut, contributing to a healthy gut microbiome. This is essential for overall health, as a healthy gut can impact everything from your mood to your immune system. So, adding green bananas to your diet could be a great way to keep your gut healthy and manage your weight. Another fantastic benefit of green bananas is their low glycemic index. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a glycemic index? Well, it's a value assigned to foods based on how slowly or how quickly those foods cause increases in blood sugar levels. It's particularly important for individuals with diabetes, as they need to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. Green bananas fall on the lower end of the glycemic index, meaning they release sugar into the bloodstream gradually, preventing sudden spikes and crashes. This steady release of energy is not only beneficial for blood sugar control, but also helps in maintaining a balanced and sustained sense of fullness. So, if you're someone who is managing diabetes or simply aiming for balanced energy throughout the day, green bananas could be an excellent addition to your diet. They're not just a fruit, but a functional food that actively contributes to your health. Incorporating green bananas into your meals could be a simple strategy to help manage diabetes. But the benefits of green bananas extend beyond just digestion and diabetes. These unassuming fruits are also a beauty powerhouse. Packed with vitamins and minerals, they can contribute to healthier skin and hair. Their high potassium content helps regulate hydration levels in the skin, while the rich array of nutrients nourishes hair follicles for stronger, shinier locks. Moreover, green bananas are a friend to your heart. Their high fiber content aids in lowering cholesterol levels, while potassium helps in maintaining a healthy blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. However, as with all good things, moderation is key. Some people might experience digestive discomfort from eating green bananas. And for those with a latex allergy, caution is advised, as green bananas can potentially trigger a reaction. So, whether you're keen on boosting your beauty regime or your heart health, green bananas could be just the superfood you're seeking. Just remember to listen to your body and adjust your intake as needed. As you can see, the humble green banana can contribute to our health in many surprising ways. So, are you ready to add a bunch of green bananas to your next shopping list? From aiding in weight management, promoting gut health, and acting as a low glycemic food ideal for diabetes management, to enhancing skin and hair health and boosting cardiovascular wellness, green bananas truly are a nutritional powerhouse. They're versatile too, ready to be enjoyed raw or incorporated into your favorite recipes. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Stay healthy and see you next time.